welcome to Wellman's Adventures. Hi friends, welcome to Wellman's Adventures. And today we're going to build a ramp for my cars.
Yeah! Are you excited?
Yeah!
I'm excited too. So where are we going to launch them off first?
Maybe that.
Where you're standing? Okay, let's try it out. Is Dad going to help you build it?
Oh, you're dropping cars already?
I'll pick them up.
You got them?
Look, this one fell off. Look, keep flipping. Looks like I think they want to leave.
You want to help me out? You want to stand right there and hold that right there? So it doesn't slide down? Hold it right there. So these are really easy to build. They just connect to each other using these little blue pieces. You just slide right in and lock into place. Hey there friends, we're gonna race our little race cars down the racetrack and end in that sweet jump down there.
So we got our track ready and let's show you what it looks like. That is our ramp that we made. Okay.
You ready to start racing? We're gonna put it on here, don't let it go yet, okay? We're gonna let them go on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, awesome. Ready? On 3. You count this time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that was awesome.
Ah! Look at it.
Should we switch sides? All right, come on. You come on this side now. One, 2, 3, race!
I win!
Awesome, you did. Car on the racetrack. On 3. 1, 2, 3, race!
I win!
Awesome, you did it again.
This one.
All right, what do you think? Should we set it up in a different spot? Hey, do you think we should build a new ramp?
Yeah!
Let's move it somewhere else, right?
Come on guys, follow us. We're in my backyard and now we're going to try the trampoline.
You ready to try these little racers?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I do it again.
Again? All right, let me get the other one. 1, 2, 3, go.
That was really fast.
3. 1, 2, 3, race! 1, 2, 3, race! Awesome, you see that flip?
Yep.
Pretty cool. On 3. 1, 2, 3, race!
Now we can switch.
All right, you ready to move it to a new spot? Where
Yeah.
should we try next? Should we try somewhere super fast?
Yeah.
Should we try our stairs? Whoa, that'd be
Yeah.
super fast, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, friends, just follow me. Hey, friends, this is the last ramp. Are you excited? I know I am. I'm gonna run upstairs to my dad and launch the cars. Go.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start racing these good guys. 1, 2, 3, race!
1, 2, 3, race.
Next one.
1, 2, 3, race.
Next one.
1, 2, 3, race. One, two, three, race!
Yay!
One, two, three, race! 1, 2, 3, race! 1, 2, 3, race! 1, 2, 3, banana! I got you! I picked you!
I did you.
Ready? Let's go! All of them! Whoa! Whoa! That was awesome! High five!
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, and please subscribe to watch more of my videos. Bye, friends.